Yes, Amma. Banu Tejaswini. Okay, start. From
Good
first.
evening, all. My name is J. Banu Tejaswini. I am J. Banu Tejaswini. Today I am going to explain the topic measurement in physics. Before that, I would say about physics. What is physics? Physics is a branch of science which deals with the concepts such as measurement, force, energy, work, etc. Physics is a Greek word which means knowledge of nature. Now, I would talk about measurement. Measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a known standard quantity. Every measurement has two parts. First one is unit and the second one is numerical value. In the ancient times, the measurement is done through handspan and cubit. Cubit is the length from the tip of elbow to the tip of the middle finger, whereas the handspan is the distance from the tip of thumb and to the tip of little finger. Now I would talk about standard unit. Standard unit is a unit which is acceptable by majority of people as a basic unit of measurement. The internationally accepted system of units is the SI system of units. SI is the standard international unit. In October 1960, in the International General Conference on Weights and Measures, this SI system of units was adopted. It was agreed that the unit of physical quantity must have some basic characteristics. First one, it should be well defined. The unit size must be convenient. It should be acceptable everywhere, and its value should not change with respect to time and place. Now I would talk about physical quantities. Physical quantities are the quantities which are measurable. Physical quantities are of two types. First one is fundamental quantities and the second one is derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are the quantities which are measurable. Examples of the fundamental quantities are length, mass and time. So now I would define about the three: length, mass and time. First one, length. Length is the path covered by an object. Mass is the amount of matter or the quantity of matter. Time is the interval between two events. Fundamental quantities are also called as base quantities and they do not depend on other quantities. Derived quantities are the quantities which are derived from the fundamental quantities or depend on the fundamental quantities. Examples are area, volume, momentum, velocity, speed, etc. Now let's talk about area. What is area? Area is the space on the surface. To determine area, we need to know two measurements, length and breadth. The CGS unit of area is centimeter square and the SI unit is, or SI MKS unit is the meter square. Next, volume. Volume is the space occupied by an object. The CGS unit of volume is centimeter cube and the MKS unit of volume is meter cube. Next, speed. What is speed? Speed is distance by time. The CGS unit is centimeters by second, centimeter per second, or in MKS it is meter per second. Whereas energy unit is joule. And next we'll talk about the system of units. There are three system of units. First one is CGS, second one is MKS, and third one is FPS. CGS is also known as French system. MKS is called as SI system or metric system. FPS is also known as the British system. In CGS, C stands for centimeter, G stands for gram, and S stands for second. In MKS, M stands for meter, K stands for kilogram, and S stands for second. In FPS, F stands for foot, P stands for pound, and S stands for second. Now I would talk about the additional fundamental quantities of SI system. There are four additional fundamental quantities: luminous intensity, temperature, amount of substance, and current. Luminous intensity is measured in candela and its symbol is small c and small d. The temperature is measured in Kelvin and its symbol is capital K. Next is current. Current is measured in ampere and its symbol is capital A. And last one is amount of substance and it is measured in mole and its symbol is MOL. There are two supplementary quantities of SI system, plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle is measured in radian and solid angle is measured in steradian. Now I would talk about the multiples and submultiples of meter. There are 10 multiples of meter and 10 submultiples of meter. The multiples of meter are deca, hecta, kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa, zeta, iota. And the submultiples of meter are deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, atto, zepto, yeto. These are the multiples and submultiples of the meter. Next, there are three practicals of units. First one is the astronomical unit, and its symbol is AU. It is the mean distance of Earth from the Sun, and its value is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meters. Next is light year. Light year is a distance traveled by light in 1 year. 1 light year is equals to 3 lakh kilometers. 1 light year is equals